So the next topic to cover is the law of conservation of mass, and it's just a short topic before we get into energy. There's also a law of conservation of energy that's similar. But let's say you took 58 grams of butane, that's like a butane lighter. It would consume, when it burns, because you think about when something burns, it needs air, right? It would consume 208 grams of oxygen. In that process, it would make 176 grams of carbon dioxide and 90 grams of water. But if you add those together, right, the butane plus the oxygen is going to be equal to the carbon dioxide and water. Now, when oxygen, right, and butane were combined, exactly the same mass total of carbon dioxide and water were formed. That's another way of saying it. But that's the idea of the law of conservation of mass. These problems are actually usually pretty simple to solve. And so here's an example, problem 3.41. And I noticed my mic sounds weird. I don't know what's going on, but sorry about that. It says 12 grams of natural gas combines with 48 grams of oxygen in a flame, right? Water and carbon dioxide are formed. If 33 grams of carbon dioxide are formed, how much water must have formed in the process? So what you need to do is formulate the equation, which is a statement of conservation of mass. So we know that 12 grams of natural gas, right, combines with 48 grams of oxygen in a flame, and 33 grams of carbon dioxide are formed. How much water must have been formed in this process? So this is what we're solving for, the unknown, right? And so all you need to do is take 12 and 48 and add them together and subtract 33, and you end up with, let's see, that's 60 minus 33, so 20. So that'd be about 27. Let's see, let's check that. So 12 plus 48, that's going to give me 60, right? And then 33 plus 27, it'll give me 60. Yeah, so it's 27 grams of water got formed in the process. Just to reiterate, I think what I said earlier is these are very common problems on exams, so you should probably be ready to recognize it as not being the hard problem it initially appears to be. Just add up what's coming together, add up what comes out at the end. Sometimes we don't know what one of them is, and it's just solve for it. All right.